Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh and I'm your sales coach. In this video today, I want to talk about as a sales manager in channel of distribution mode of selling, what is your role in marketing? It's very important to understand that there is no sales without marketing and there is no marketing without sales. I have seen that most sales managers feel that marketing is not a part of the syllabus. They always feel that there is a separate marketing department and it is their job to kind of initiate marketing for them. Now let's assume for a moment that marketing department is not doing their job the way they should. Who do you think is at loss? Is it not you? Because if marketing doesn't do the right kind of in-shop placements, right kind of in-shop displays, the right kind of visual merchandising, if they don't conduct the right kind of retail programs like outdoor activity, like road shows and home demos, who do you think is going to suffer? It's sales, isn't it? I strongly recommend, friends, that for being a good sales manager, you need to start driving sales. Don't get driven by sales. Start driving marketing, Don't get driven by marketing, start driving marketing. And what do you need to do for this? You need to prepare a quarterly marketing plan and submit it to your marketing department for their due diligence, consonance and approval so that जो दिखता है वो बिकता है और जो ज़्यादा दिखता है वो ज़्यादा बिकता है. As a sales manager in channel of distribution mode of selling, you can only reach out to the market, you can only make placements in the tertiary counters, you can only ensure secondary sales and primary sales, but it is marketing which will ensure the visibility of your products and vis-a-vis tertiary sale. So friends, next time please understand that driving marketing is also very much a part of your job and it is not just being driven by marketing. If you have liked this video, go down and click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that this and many more such videos on sales will be continuously uploaded on this channel almost every day. For now,